SportsNola.com at Tulane visiting linebacker Nico Marley. Nico, Friday night, a tough night. You guys got behind quickly, and I know it's hard to play in that kind of situation where you're trying to kind of dig yourself out of a hole, but this team, to its credit, did not quit. You got it back to a 24-14 game there in the third quarter.
Yeah, it is definitely hard trying to dig yourself out of a hole.
But what is your attitude at that point when you know you're trying to come from behind? Are you looking to force more turnovers? Are you looking to, just make those big plays that does it change your mindset?
Yeah, absolutely. We're always looking for the turnover, but at the same time, you can't go so hard looking for a turnover. You let the play bust. So just gotta play assignment football and just get the ball back for our offense, give them a chance.
The offensive side of the ball, they've faced a lot of injuries here in the past few days, whether in the game, before the game, things like that. Obviously, some guys have stepped up there, just like some freshmen have stepped up on the defensive side of the ball. Just talk about the next man up philosophy that this team has.
Well, everybody is so focused in meetings and in practice that they know exactly what to do, and they're prepared to step up when their name is called.
Looking to Houston this Saturday, on the road in Houston, what have you seen on film from this Houston offense?
Well, they got a running quarterback, a converted receiver, so just got to be ready to play the zone read and be ready for him as a threat.
When you play a team that runs zone read principles, and you've seen it plenty of times before, what does that change in your mentality? I mean, is it more of a stay in your lane type of thing as opposed to being more aggressive?
Yeah, absolutely. You gotta stay in your gut because you don't know where it's gonna hit. You don't know if the quarterback's gonna have the ball to run it back.
A key to victory for Tulane, at least on the defensive side this Saturday.
Can't let them score points.
That's pretty simple right there. It's Tulane in Houston this Saturday, 2:30 kickoff.